Today we're going to be taking these 3 ingredients and making homemade soft scrub. Let's get started. I made it at home to save money, doing just like our grannies did. They couldn't go out and buy everything they needed. They had to figure out how to use what they have and make what you need. Okay, that's just one scrubbing with our homemade soft scrub. I think it done pretty good. What do y'all think? Comment down below. I'll be making this some more. It'll save me money. Hey y'all, and welcome back. We're doing another cleaning video today. I'm going to show y'all how to make homemade soft scrub. It's just like what you buy at the store, but you're not going to pay $6 to $7 a bottle. You probably already have these ingredients at home and you can make it yourself. Come on, and I'm going to show you what you'll need to make homemade soft scrub. This is what you'll be needing to make your homemade soft scrub. Hydrogen peroxide, some Dawn detergent or any kind of soap of your choice that you use, but you know me, I love my Blue Dawn. And some baking soda. That's all it takes. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to be making it in my 2-cup measuring cup. That way I'll have room to mix it up in. And what we'll do first is you're going to add 3 tablespoons of the Blue Dawn. Okay, we're going to measure us out 3 tablespoons of the Blue Dawn or any detergent, like I said, that you use. Okay, we're going to leave that sitting right there because I'll use that to mix it up with. And now we're going to add 1/4 cup of the peroxide. Okay, so we're just going to measure us out 1/4 of a cup of the hydrogen peroxide. And now we're going to measure out 1 cup of our baking soda. And I believe I'll have about 1 cup in this little box because I hadn't hardly used any of it. And it's an 8-ounce box. Okay, that's right at 1 cup. It may be just a hair shy of 1 cup, but I'm going to go ahead and go with that. If I need to add a little bit more in it, I will. And now we're just going to take this, and since we've already used this, we're just going to give that a mix and just start blending in those ingredients. Now, I used to buy that soft scrub a lot, especially to use on the top of the stove, and it got expensive. So we're going to give this a try and see how it works on the sink and the stove. But that right there sort of looks just like the store-bought soft scrub. Okay, I'm going to show y'all my sink, and it's dirty. Actually, it's just stains from the cast iron. When I would wash my cast iron, that black stuff from a cast iron skillet will get in your white sinks. So I'm going to show you how this homemade soft scrub works, cleaning this sink. We'll just put us a little bit in the sink. And I'm going to clean my stove too. Okay, we're just going to use one of these little green scrubbers, and we're just going to scrub the sink and see how our homemade soft scrub works up against these cast iron stains. I've got a few recipes on how to use Blue Dawn for different products. If y'all hadn't watched them, go look them up. Look how it's coming so good and clean. That right there works just as well as the store-bought soft scrub. And I didn't pay $7 for it. I made it at home to save money, doing just like our grannies did. They couldn't go out and buy everything they needed. They had to figure out how to use what they have and make what you need. Okay, now let's rinse this out and see how my sink looks after we rinse it out. Now when you're rinsing it out, you can feel that baking soda, and that is what you're using to scrub with. It's giving it a little bit of texture to it. And the Dawn is cutting the grease. And the peroxide is just making it able to clean it and making it probably whiter, I guess. Okay, that's just one scrubbing with our homemade soft scrub. I think it done pretty good. What do y'all think? Comment down below. I'll be making this some more. It'll save me money. Okay, that's just one more little quick video on showing y'all how to make homemade cleaners. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Making these at home will help you save money and time.